Hey everyone, I'm going to tell you about my YouTube journey. I started my channel with just a phone and a dream. I had no mic, no fancy setup, just passion. Now I've gained subscribers and my videos are getting noticed. This journey proves hard work pays off. If you can do it, so you can you. There were times I doubt myself, thinking, can I really do this? But I pushed forward. My first videos weren't perfect, the quality was low, and I had to work with what I had. Still, I kept uploading, learning, and improving, little by little. At first, I begged for subscribers in groups. But I realized if people truly like my content, they'll subscribe because they want to. And they did. I'll never forget hitting my first 100 views on a motivational quote I made in Partycraft. The video didn't just bring views, it brought a sense of pride knowing my words touched people's heart. Slowly but surely, I started to grow from 2 subscribers to 14, and I know this is just the beginning. This journey isn't about numbers for me, it's about the fun lessons and the memories I'm creating along the way. That's all guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.